Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, we shall learn how to use the advanced filter with complex criteria. For this, kindly open inventory 2 from your session 1 sample files folder. Okay, this comes from the previous lesson where we had run an advanced filter with multiple or criteria, if you remember. Okay, so for this lesson, we are going to set the following criteria using the same criteria range from the previous lesson. So we're going to run a filter, or we're going to display products where category equals condiments. So all condiments must be displayed, or category equals seafood and value is greater than 2000. So much as we want to display the seafood as well, the value of the seafood must be greater than 2000, or value is greater than 3000. So this will list everything in the condiments category, list products in the seafood category, but only if their value is greater than 2000, and list all products that have a value greater than 3000, irrespective of which category they are in. So let's get started. Okay? So the first one, category equals condiments. That is correct. The next, category equals seafood and value is greater than 2000. Okay? Or category equals seafood and value is greater than 2000. Okay? So that's the second criteria. Or value is greater than 3000, irrespective of the category. So this is not needed. I'll delete it. Value is greater than 3000. Okay? Now click inside the data that you want to filter. Before we run the filter, kindly notice that seafood has been restricted. Yes, we want seafood, but the value of the seafood must be greater than 2000. Okay? And then the third row will display all products, irrespective of the category. That's why the category is blank. Irrespective of the supplier, that's why the supplier is blank. Irrespective of the product name, irrespective of the unit price. But as long as the value is greater than 3000, it will be displayed. So click inside the data, go to the data tab, sort and filter, click advanced. Okay. Now confirm that your criteria range is okay. A1 to F4. Great. Then click OK. And there you go. You have your products. And what do they display? They're displaying all 11 condiments, irrespective of their value. Only 3 seafood products are shown. Only the items with a value greater than 2000. Items such as Sir Rodney's marmalade are listed, even though they do not appear in the condiment or seafood categories. This is because their value is greater than 3000. So you can audit, please audit this list and confirm that the advanced filter has returned the products as in this sheet labeled 2. Okay? All right, that marks the end of this lesson. Don't forget, if you're interested in in-house training, we can offer in-house trainings at a negotiated price. We also offer one-on-one training if you're interested. We also do off-site trainings at a venue of your choice. You can contact the number that you see below, and we can have, I mean, we can negotiate something that will suit the both of us. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you.